Hello and welcome to a Nami makeup cosplay tutorial again. So first you want to start with primer, foundation, and a blender, which you'll see later in the next clip. Because I take a lot of the makeup off when I blend my makeup with the sponge, I'm going to be using powder next. Again, you'll see it. But try to pat, not swipe. And the eyebrows, I'm using a white eyeliner stick. And as you can see, I look like I have no eyebrows at all, or barely. And I'm gonna take my orange foundation. Why am I saying the wrong thing today? My orange face paint. And fill them in, and I'm trying to use a really light hand. And I did 2 layers so the orange would show up in my eyebrows. And I'm using a different brush because the one I usually use for eyebrows was in my bag to help my friend when I went to her apartment. So I decided to use a different brush. And you're gonna see me put on eyelashes. Well, not really. All my eyelashes are... just have to wear them without them. Okay, so instead I'm just only gonna use liquid eyeliner, and I'm not very good at it because this is a new stick I got like maybe a month ago. I haven't used it that much. And also, sorry about the swearing. I do try to keep these cosplay videos family friendly. And I give myself a really small wing, which you have trouble seeing, obviously. Now you want to unpin your hair and style it just like Nami's. And I'm putting on a tattoo, which is technically a sticker that came with the costume. It's a long story why I didn't make my own costume, but anyway, I was actually very pleased with how the tattoo looks. And I'm sorry you can't see it that well from this camera angle. And you are done. You are Nami. Now, here's some poses of me staring into space. Because I'm about to say, wait for it. I have no idea how to pose for Nami, so bye.